y'all. All right, hear me out. Have you ever gotten a highlighted wig that was completely trash and you wanted to know how to fix it? Then stay tuned for this look. All right, for starters, you have to pick out all the highlighted pieces. It was very time consuming and tedious. You know what I mean. So go ahead and pick all those out and then separate it from the base color. Alright, so here are the products that I use. I'm not gonna lie, I thought the Kiss was gonna burn my hair. I've never really used it before and it started to get really hot, but I guess it was fine. Oh yes, I did use a 40 developer. I just didn't want to sit down and spend more time trying to lift the hair. So all I'm doing in this part of the video is taking the already highlighted pieces that I separated and just lifting the color. Let me just put it out there that this was my first time trying to fix an already highlighted wig. So bear with me. This is a trial and error video. To tone the hair, I used the T18 Lightest Ash Blonde from Color Charm. I forgot to record this part. So basically what you have to do is take the bottle that they provide for you, that one, and you're going to fill it with the 30 developer twice. On the directions, it says use a 20, but again, I just wanted it bright and I was done. So I used 30. I didn't use any special technique for this part. I just laid it on there and it's supposed to turn purple, and when it's turning purple, that means that it's changing, and that's a good thing. So the next part is actually the fun part for me. This color 47 from Revlon is the medium brown that we're going to use for our base. So you know they provide the products for you and all you have to do is shake, 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 shake. So the crazy part is I've always tried to figure out how to turn hair brown, not thinking to just use Revlon brown color. Let me just put it out there. Now that I know how to change my hair to brown, it's over. It's done for. So here I'm using the foil paper just to separate the brown from the lighter parts, because I need to go in there and take little pieces from the highlighted part and use for the brown base that we have. I seen a YouTube video and the girl said that to have it blend properly, you need to use some of the brown that you use for your base and streak it into the hair, and it makes so much sense.
This life is stressing me, wrecking me from the inside. I'm feeling sick, need the remedy, need to ease my mind. It feels like lately you ain't loving me the same. And truth be told, you and I are both to blame. I'm going through all the motions, I'm about to lose control. It used to help keep me grounded, help me to never fold. I'm not gonna lie, this has caught me by surprise. I feel like one day this will lead to our demise, but I need you now. And lately seems like you ain't been around. I'm going under and I feel about to drown. But baby, seems like you have checked out. Could you focus on me? 'Cause right now this is kind of killing me. We're losing track of who we are and how to be. It's cost me more when
Don't forget to hit your little roots now. That's the most important part. We don't want that ugly brown that they had. We're going to get that pretty medium rich brown.
Seems like you ain't been around. I'm going under and I feel I'm about to drown.
All right, so this is what it looks like when it's all colored, toned, and washed.
This life is stressing me, wrecking me from the inside. I'm feeling sick, need the remedy, need to ease my mind. It feels like lately you ain't loving me the same. And truth be told, you and I are both to blame. I'm going
All right, here is the finished product after I colored it and everything. I really like it.
not gonna lie, this has caught me by surprise. I feel like one day this will lead to our demise.
So, don't mind it. So tell me what you think. Oh, I forgot.
It seems like you ain't been around.
How you feel? I didn't get to customize because I was rushing this morning,
But baby,
but
seems
yeah.
like you have checked out. Could you focus on me?